Since getting back on the road with Betty and Blue, our camper van and gorgeous truck, who just got some new tires, which were pretty expensive, we've noticed that life in general has become pretty expensive. It's definitely a lot more than it was when we first got on the road in 2019. So many different ways to live life on the road, and so many different ways to make money while doing it.
These trees in here are massive. They must be so old. This is the reason why I love traveling. We've tried so many different ways to make money on the road so far that we've literally picked up Craigslist jobs. We have a video about it. There's unlimited ways to make money.
And at the very beginning, we learned about low content publishing and just publishing in general. So I actually published my first book the first year that we were on the road about being an administrative assistant, which was my old job. And then I published another book about van life, like how to get into van life, like how we sold everything that we owned to buy a camper van. And then I made another book about going to Alaska and traveling through Alaska in a van. But all these books took a really long time because I had to write all the words. And they're books, they're like long, thick books. So it was a lot of work.
And then we found out about low content publishing, and Alex has actually even made a few coloring books through that.
Low content publishing is basically journals and notebooks and coloring books, things that don't have a lot of words in them. Like you don't have to write a whole novel to publish a book. And that's where Book Bolt comes in. They actually helped me all those years ago put out my coloring books, and now they can help you publish whatever you want, really. In today's video, we're gonna show you how to publish a book with Book Bolt. By the end of the video, I'm actually gonna have a brand new book listed for sale on Amazon.
What's the book gonna be about?
Well, you have to stay tuned.
All right, fine.
I feel like this beach has gotta be here soon, or else I really overpromised and I'm about to underdeliver.
Heatherly's really excited about this beach, as you can
look,
tell.
a map. Hopefully this will help.
You are here.
But just like we needed those friendly strangers and that map to help us along our way, Book Bolt is going to help you publish your book. Segue. But anyways, I mentioned that the book is going to be for sale on Amazon, and that's because Amazon has this product called KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing. And so you actually upload your low content books or your books that you've written to KDP, and they automatically make it available on marketplaces all over the world. So every month we actually get a little direct deposit from not only Amazon USA, Amazon Canada, the UK, India, all of the different networks. It's really cool. You'll see like multiple different transactions coming into your bank account from all over the world thanks to Kindle Direct Publishing.
Wait a second. So are you telling me that you have books that have literally sold all across the world?
A lot of countries.
See?
Yeah.
You didn't even, like, how cool is that?
It's very cool.
It's super cool.
I feel like it used to be really like prestigious, which it still is, to be an author. But now literally anybody can be an author with KDP.
Ooh, I think I see a little bit of beach.
Wow. So we're back at the campground, which is another new expense for us because we are traveling with the truck and trailer. Our inverter, which was $1,500, died within a month of having it, so we can't have 120 power unless we're plugged in.
It also forced us to buy a battery charger, and I had to hook it up a different way so it all work. You know, so.
Which is pretty ingenious that you were able to figure that out.
Thank you. Brand new expense though, you know, so we got to make money on the road, I guess is what I'm trying to say.
And so the nice thing about KDP, I know, I want pizza too, babe. We just ordered a pie. The nice thing about KDP is that you don't actually have to have any of your books or ship them or mail them or worried about customer service or returns.
It's straightforward, not like that pizza place.
Oh my God. And we don't have to have any inventory because we're traveling, we're in this little truck and trailer. We couldn't keep stacks of books in the back just waiting for an order. So KDP actually prints it on demand.
And imagine traveling to different countries and then have to like send them out from each country.
You would have to like pay somebody to do it, which I get, you know, KDP does take a cut of your earnings in order to do all these services for you, but
it's set up. It's there. It's
and
ready.
you don't have to think about it. And people could just buy books every month and you don't even have to know about it. You just get the check.
We're gonna get pizza.
Baby.
You want the whole pizza? Okay, you can have the whole thing. What about mommy and daddy though? Can we have some? Okay, cool. One of the ways we make money is by having a Patreon, and we got to thank our Patreon, Ellen, for the pizza that we're having tonight because she always hooks us up with super chats for pizza. And so here we are, eating pizza once again.
Night.
I'm always searching for good pizza, and Ellen knows that. And so we appreciate you guys who are a part of our Patreon. If you want to join up, there's a lot of perks. Go check it out. While Alex is going to be working on Book Bolt, Everly and I are going to the aquarium. Everly, what are we going to see? Fishies! All right, let's go.
Love you, babe.
Love you too.
It's super rare that I get any daytime time to work. Usually I'm clocking in at like 8 p.m. after Everly goes to bed and working until like 11. But today we've got some daytime time to finish our book. So let's take advantage of it and use all of Book Bolt's tools to get that done really quickly. Before you even start writing your book, you should probably research what books are actually going to sell. Book Bolt can help you find a profitable niche that is going to work for you. Once you're on Book Bolt, it's really easy to navigate. We can check out the movers and shakers, which are going to be things that are selling right now. There's so many different things in here. And so this will give you ideas of maybe what you could focus on as well. Skydiving logbook, very cool. So basically anything that you're into, you could make it. Ooh, this is good. What the F is my password? I need that. Our next research tool is the keyword search, and this is going to help you find out what people are looking for. Another great tool is the evergreen feature, which is going to show you things that are just moving, things that always move. Obviously, having seasonal products is good, but having stuff that's just going to sell all year round is even better. Now we're going to move into actually making a book. The Book Bolt Studio is so awesome. There are tons of templates to choose from to easily fill in all of the pages of your book. Even if you're not a designer, it's super easy. You just pick a template and customize it. We can go into the page templates and find tons of options. You can also search in here to make it really easy. I'm gonna add a mileage tracker because that is super fun to know what you're doing in the van, how many miles you're driving a day. So I'm gonna add it to our page, and just like that, it's in there. And then if I wanted to make 5 pages so that you could have, a continuing log, you can go in and add a page for gratitude. Let's see templates for that. Super easy. So once you start moving around in the templates, you can find awesome pages to add to your low content book really quickly. This time around, I got really into their AI children's book builder. So I made Paco his own book. It's a story about Paco getting lost and then finding his way back to the van using his 5 senses. This is a super easy way to animate a children's book. There are endless prompts. You just have to update the text and then ask the AI to regenerate, and you could literally make a children's book in one night. The text is all customizable as well, so if you have a very particular story in mind, you give it a prompt and then it's going to spit out a story based on that prompt, but you can completely edit all of it. And then before you know it, you've written your first children's book. Then once you've exported it from Book Bolt, you need to put it up on Amazon KDP. Once you have your Kindle Direct Publishing account set up, it's really super easy. You just go through the page, add all the information that they need, upload your manuscript, set your price, and now your book is for sale on Amazon. I finished the Paco book last night and it's already available for sale. So if you want to check it out, I've got the link down below. It's available both in paperback and an ebook because it's really easy to take the file that you get for the paperback, convert it to an ebook, and now you've got 2 ways to sell products online. Then once it's up, it's all about getting it seen. Not everybody has a YouTube channel where they can just tell you about the book that they're selling. So Book Bolt has some ways to make that easy for you. Using the keyword search on Book Bolt is going to help you find the right words to put in your description for your book, as well as the metadata for it that you upload into KDP. You're going to want to choose strong keywords so that more people are likely to see it. Then you can go into the category search and find which category is going to help your book get seen the best. There are so many subthreads under children's book, so finding the right subthread for the category is really going to help your book get seen. Just a few clicks later, the book is live for sale on Amazon, which means those couple hours of work that I did can create passive income literally forever because the book is just going to be available for sale all the time. And if you really want to make Book Bolt work for you, you can create new titles like weekly, finding something that you think is going to sell and quickly whipping up a low content book with Book Bolt, listing it for sale on Amazon KDP, and creating a passive income stream for yourself. Okay, we're gonna serve up some yummy food. Yay. Everly and Frank had a wonderful day at the aquarium. and I published my book, which is so exciting. If you've been dreaming of a way to make money on the road or you want to become a self-published author, check out BookBolt for all of your low content publishing needs. Use code FNA Vanlife to get 20% off today. Are you ready to eat?
Yes, you're ready.
Yeah, okay. Some potatoes for Daddy. Push it for Daddy. There you go.
Thank you. Great serving, Everly. You're the
Very
best.
nice.
Thank you so much. Thank you, honey.
You're
Not
welcome.
only does she publish books, but she also makes delicious dinner. I'm a lucky.
I'm a double threat.